We often get asked what to do with fiber optic tails. Sure, they're beautiful, just laying as they are, twinkling in their colors, or perhaps you have a system that allows you to be interactive with them and change the colors. Picking them up in your hands and moving them about for tracking and visual interest. However, many other things you can do with our fine motor skills. So I can have one that I pick up, and I've asked for one. So we're asking just for one, being able to drop them. We're picking a bunch of them and holding a bunch in your hand. And now what we can do is have them, we share. We give one to someone, and handing them back and forth. The other thing we can do with our fiber optic tails is to take pony beads or small other items and thread them over the tails themselves. So we're doing our fine motor activity. And it's easier to see because the light up end is very, very simple for your eyes to be able to see what's going on in there. Make a grouping of them, lining them out. Perhaps you line a group over here, and then I grab them and I comb them, and I'm reaching and making another group by bringing them over here. So making octopus legs, as they're called sometimes. So the octopus legs can come out of your fiber optic tails simply by grouping them. And again, it's following direction, it's understanding, communication, that I've got a thick leg and a thin leg. And these two legs are the same size, but the one way over there is very thin compared to this one back here or the very first one. So being able to talk about how the different visuals are with the equipment in your sensory room, not just necessarily enjoying it. I love snoozeland therapy simply because it allows you to relax and have no expectations within the space. But you can also use your sensory room to support the educational lesson plans that you're working with for your students.